Come on, I'll show you. Come on, I'll show you. See, اول نشانه را میشانیم. دو مرمی را میگیریم. یه مرمی داخل تفنگچه. یک، دو، سه. اینا ایره کش میکنی. کشکو. And. Ready? Now, pull that near your eyes. Eyes closed. You show it. Ah! Right. 1, 2, 3. 3. Push. That's right. Now, pull that. Pull. Yeah. You ready? Ready?
Yeah.
1 minute. Ah! Now, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull. No, this Pasco is this is Masha Pasco. As Masha Pasco. Pull, yeah. Now, see. Ah! We hit the target. We hit the target. See, we're gonna do it there. Yeah. Hit. Oh, my Pasco. Ah, come on. 1. Get the gun. 2. 1. We put the bullet there. Right. 1 bullet. Here. No. First close. No, close the bullet. No, don't put your hand in there. That's the last one. Now pull the thingy. Pull that. Yeah. No. That's it. Now. See. You ready? Ah! We hit the target! Wow! We hit the target! See, this is how you play. Right, come on. There we go. Here we go. That's our target. Nice and easy. See? Come on then. Show me how much you learn. Gone inside. 1, 2. 1 minute. No, don't touch there. That's the last bit. Right. First, push that. Now. And then pull that. That's it. The gun is loaded now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Close your eyes. See, this is how you play it. Say hello.
Hello.
Say how are you?
How are you?
You okay?
You okay?
Did you enjoy the video?
Yeah.
Tell him, did you enjoy the video? Tell him. Tell those people there, did you enjoy the video? Yeah? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Pull your thumbs there. Pull your thumbs. Thumbs. That's right. 1, 2, and 3. Ah! Finished.